Ka MLA wathme ka Kambegri constituency ka Metap Chandi Agitok Sangma hadin wayo ye job da ongo wagi bru da penyogi wakwa ki ye kala we kwa ki ye Roy Ipar we kam ka NPP le ye ini bu ko hakmat do we ki paj ba le sngau tho ki ye ni dong le wana chwa mju ye u job ye kani ka constituency tang wa katte ki paj ba da jit ki ya ka ne da wakwa ki ye kala ne ba omdu Hagaro Hills tang wa hawro ka wi ke Meghalaya le da yu ki ye ni de wm ka NPP ha ka sarkar we ule ye wa ba do ne benta ki paj ba ne liang Konrad Sangma kam o national president ka NPP kam jule o menteri rangba ka jala dapan snga u ye kemen de we ikhuble le ye ki paj ba ka Kambegri wapen yogi wakwa ge Roy Ipar we ule kat we ye wapen yo ye angnot ki paj ba.
The people of Kambegri, the people of Garo Hills and the people of Meghalaya, you have been elected for the first time.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Kambegri have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
So the call for development has been accepted by the people.
I think it's
So the call for development has been accepted by the people of Kambegri. So how it feels today that your wife has been elected as MLA from that area?
Of course, we are very happy as a party, and would like to thank the people of Kambegri for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Kambegri that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Kambegri. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs and DCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Metap Chandi Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you very much.
Hi ma'am, congratulations.
Don't go nearby. Don't go nearby.
Come back. Everyone come back.
NPP